We've been on quite a journey in Neath Port Talbot. We started looking into outcome-focused practice. It took us back to why we became social workers, I guess, and that's what we wanted to do, is to get to a place where we were working in a way that we wanted to be working, rather than being service-led and paperwork-led. We were trying instead to move towards a situation where we're thinking about the people first and putting the people first. I think what we did as well is mirror that within our authorities. So that was how we were working out there on the front line with people, but it was also how we started to work with each other within the authority as well. And it gave people a chance to sort of really think for themselves rather than following the paperwork, following a process all the time. And for me, that's what the culture is. It's about us all listening to one another, understanding one another, and really thinking, well, where do we want to get to, and what are the steps to get there? It hasn't always been a smooth journey. There's been difficulties along the way, there's been challenges, but I think because we've adopted the culture not only with the families we're working with, but within our own management structure as well, it means that when we have come across those difficulties, we've been able to learn from them, and we've been able to develop better plans going forward, you know, and how can we work with that. It's kept me in the job. Before the shift in our way of working, I was very seriously contemplating certainly leaving the authority, if not social care completely, because the idea of carrying on working with that amount of pressure and stress was really hard. If you're doing a job that you enjoy and that you want to do and you're enjoying, and you're getting something out of, and you feel like you're making a difference, then people are going to stay in a role for a lot longer than if you're constantly feeling like you're not getting anywhere.